Hi, welcome to Draw with Text. We are going to be working on the animal alphabet series, and today we're going to be drawing in an iguana. Can you guess what this iguana might be holding? He's going to be holding an ice cream. So let's have our piece of paper portrait. Hope you've got a sharp pencil, and before I forget, if you are enjoying this series or this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment on how you thought I did, if there's anything else that you'd like for me to add or do in future videos. Greatly appreciated. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to be drawing our iguana's face, and we're going to make him go side to side. So the first thing I want you to focus on is a semicircle, and that's going to be the top of his head. And I want you to do two big circled eyes. So one on this side and one on that side. And that's basically going to form the outline. And then from here, from the middle bit, I want you to do a big curve going all the way around. And that's going to form his smile, coming around and into your face. Okay, so that's going to form the basis of our iguana's face. And what I want you to do is just use the outline, because that's going to be the outline of his eye, of his nose, and his mouth. And then his mouth is going to be, he's going to have a tongue sticking out. Why do you think he's got a tongue sticking out? Because of this ice cream that he's holding. So iguanas make good pets. So we're going to curve this round. Does anybody have an iguana? What are they like? They have these spike-like things on the back of their necks, and they're just actually scales. So they're small spikes, but they are actually just scales. So we've curved him round, and then this is going to form his tail. So you can have it as long, you can go up, because remember, this is your picture. I'm just showing you a rough outline of like how you could potentially do something, but it's your job to completely own the picture. So the easiest thing for me to do is show you like his body. So it's like that, and then his tail starts off wider, and then it goes thinner, and then we're gonna take it over here, just because we've got the space for it. So you can make him as long as you want. They can grow up to 20 feet, 6 feet long, and they can live up to 20 years. So it's a long time, right? And iguanas, unlike anyone else, they have 3 eyes. So they've got the 2 eyes that you can see here. So we're going to do the inside of the eye, like so. We're going to give him 2 nostrils either side. And I'm going to give my iguana glasses because I'm going to make him cheeky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little circle here, curve it round to follow his nose, and then another one there. So he's going to have glasses, but you don't have to, right? And then we're talking about these spike-like things. So all the way down his body, so not in his eye, but imagine the circles there. So we're literally spiking it all the way down to his, and they can go smaller and smaller if you want them to. And they have really long hands and feet, webby-like, and that's because, so the back foot, we're going to do a nice backward C. So start off, well, I say backwards C, but it's like backwards, but it's a bit pointy because that's actually his knee, and it comes down, and a curve going across. So that's going to be his folded back leg, and then he's got 4, 1, quite long, 2, 3, then feet. And then this hand, what we want to do, so in line with that, so we're going to do a dip down, and that's going to be his elbow, and it's going to come up like that. So that's the top of his arm. And then what we're going to do is underneath, we're going to do a nice big cone, and then a nice big semicircle on the top, then almost like cloud-like for his ice cream. And then to make, so if you start from the middle and curve it around that way, so then you've got like a line, and then if you do the opposite on the other side, you've just made yourself a wafer cone. So he's eating ice cream, so now we need to do his fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and then his thumb is around there. So 1, Alexa, stop. And then we're gonna do his other, so that's his hand that's kind of holding. Then we're gonna do his other arm on the other side, so which is behind the body. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And iguanas are cold-blooded, egg-laying animals, and they have the excellent ability to adapt. They also have brilliant memories. They're very clever, so this is why they make a good reptile pet, and they recognize their owners. And because they have great memories, you can even train them to eat and to sleep at the desired times that you want them to. How crazy. So we were talking about the third eye, wasn't I? So they're really super smart. They've got a third eye on the top of their heads, and it's called the pineal gland, which helps them regulate hormone production. So there you have it. Iguanas have 3 eyes, guys. Right, so there's our basis and our outline of our iguana. So, hope that was easy. I know it's a bit sketchy, so I'm gonna get my outline pen and we're gonna go over it so you can see the bits that we're gonna keep. So we're gonna start off with his eyes and head, I think, because I think that's the easiest thing to, so this is the top part of his eye, and that's gonna go into his body. Nice, smooth. Right, so that's the top part of his head, the other side of the eye, the glasses, just in case there's any overlap, and his mouth, tongue, bottom of his mouth. So you can see that the bits that I'm telling you to outline, it's like the order in terms of, because if we're doing a 3D image, we want to be able to know which bits are layered. And as you have more experience, you will realize the bits that you need to do and the bits that you don't need to do. So that's his eye. That's the inside. And that's the pupil. So same on the other side. So matches eye, inside, in a bit, and then now we do his spikes. And again, they can be thin, they can be big. I've just done them a little bit bigger so then we can colour them in. His spikes going all the way down. And iguanas have, they could be anything from like a pale green to a bluey grey. We have it. Then we're going to do his back leg, so his knee, and then his finger-like to help them climb. And the back of the tail, like that. And then the bottom of his chin. So look, that arm, that neckline stops there because this, the arm in front is taking over. And we're curving the fingers around. And then a line in the middle for his tongue, 2 nostrils, drawing his ice cream, so it's just slightly coming underneath. Curve, curve, curve. It's like a cloud almost, isn't it? And then this is the tricky bit, because his cone, I just showed you how to do the wafer, didn't I? But now we've got to fit it in around his fingers. So lines going that way. And I don't think you can see any that way, so let's just add some in. And then his other hand. 1, 2, 3. And then the rest of the iguana's body. And there you have it, guys, and you can add more detail if you want to. Spots around the back, stripes around the back, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can even add a smiley face in the ice cream if you want it to be a cheeky little ice cream. But there you have it, guys. I is for iguana, and iguana with ice cream. Now we've finished outlining, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Get your rubbers, rub out all the pencil marks so you've got nice clean lines. And now it's time to colour your iguana. So remember what I said, it could be anything from a blue to a green to multicoloured. It's your iguana, colour it however you want. And I love to see your drawings, so you can always tag me in with my hashtag, just hashtag drawwithpex. That, like I said, please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. I think it's a notification bell that you press, and if you press it, you basically get an alert for any new videos. But I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our next letter, which is J. Have a great day, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.